I would take the weather of this weekend pretty much any weekend for the rest of all the weekends. It was perfect.
I know. As I say, this is why we live in Michigan.
Yes.
It's just so beautiful right now, George.
It was just fantastic. I spent the weekend buying landscape plants and then planting landscape plants.
Good.
And we did have a little Saturday night shower activity, but no severe weather. But that may change here tomorrow, guys. So just stay weather aware. Tonight, we have quiet conditions going on under blue skies. 13 weather ball is green. No change to our temperatures, which are climbing into the 70s for seen. It's also blinking bright. We have showers and possible some strong thunderstorms in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And again, if you want to get some inside information on the weather before you see it on social media or on our weathercast, text the word weather to 616-559-1310. Give you some instructions on how to sign up for that. Lots of sunshine around the area, blue skies. We love it that way. It was lots of sunshine both yesterday and on Saturday between those showers. Temperatures climbing into the 70s just about everywhere. We've stopped at 69 so far. We've got an east-southeast wind. Many areas running about 5 to as much as 20 degrees warmer than we were yesterday at this time. We're 1 degree warmer here in West Michigan. Clear skies about the area right now. All eyes are on some very active weather down in the Midwest from Oklahoma on up into Nebraska, where there are a number of tornado watches. That's the same system that will be heading in our direction, but with a lot less energy. Now tonight, there's a high risk, first time there's been a high risk since way back in March of 2023 for portions of Oklahoma. Here in West Michigan, that will weaken somewhat, but south and east of Grand Rapids, there is a Category 2 out of 5 with a slight risk here tomorrow morning into the afternoon. Watch these storms tonight. They're going to continue to push into Wisconsin and Illinois. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then they'll arrive here in southwest lower Michigan between about 11 and 2 p.m. So the first round could be on the stronger side. Models are trying to pop up some showers and thunderstorms behind that between about 3 and 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. So we could get 2 rounds, but we'll wait and see whether or not that does happen. And then clearing skies overnight here on Wednesday into Thursday. Lightning, you can see this is around 11 o'clock in the morning. There goes the 1 and 2 rounds of showers and storms coming on through. And any one of those showers and storms could produce quite a bit of rain between about 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Could see about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and by the time it is done, there could be up to 3/4 of an inch of rain. Looking farther ahead, this is May 12th through the 16th. We have an equal chance for warmer or cooler temperatures. That means close to our average highs right around 70, and an equal chance for more or less rainfall also during that 5-day period. Forecast then for tonight, look for clear skies early, increasing clouds late, upper 40s to near 50 northern part of the lakeshore zone, 53 Muskegon and into Holland southward. Northern zone mid and even upper 40s with clear skies this evening before those clouds roll in. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, cooler over toward Ionia at 47, warmer down toward I-94 with 52. 13 on your side forecast. So we've highlighted Tuesday with that slight risk of severe weather. Becomes humid in the afternoon, a high of 70 with showers and thunderstorms likely everywhere. Sunshine and a little warmer on Wednesday, and then a cool weather pattern settling in for Thursday into the part of the weekend. Rain likely on Thursday and Saturday as well. Friday should be dry until Friday night. And then on Mother's Day, back to 67. We will get out of the 60s and back into the 70-plus range after the weekend. So just stay weather aware here tomorrow.
Some rain for all the plants that we just planted too, George.
There you go.
Thank you.
It is a picture-perfect day out there, and the rain, as long as it's not severe stormy weather, will help the flowers and plants and grass even more.
Yeah, that's a really good thought, but we want to know when this is happening tomorrow, George, and what we should expect.
Well, anybody who's out and about tomorrow afternoon can expect some of these stronger storms to perhaps happen. But the good news is we have another quiet evening going on here in West Michigan. 13 weather ball is green. No change to the 70-plus temperatures foreseen. It's also blinking bright. We have showers and thunderstorms in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
But if you want to join the 13 weather team with some inside information, you can text the word weather to 616-559-1310. Dog walking forecast, introducing Bo. Like the looks of that. You can chew on there. We're going to give you a green paw for Geneva. Take you out for a walk this evening as we drop out of the 70s into the 60s, and even a green paw to start your day tomorrow. It'll be later on in the late morning and early afternoon where you have to be concerned. Not quite as much sun tomorrow, 5.0 out of a 10-point scale to create green energy in our green energy report. Winds will be up a little bit here tomorrow, just kind of bordering a little bit on the breezy side. Still enough to create green electricity. Temperatures outside are in the 70s, closer to the lakeshore, 60s where the wind is coming in off of Lake Erie, Ontario, and Huron. But clear skies across the area right now. We've got some showers and storms way back to the west in Oklahoma and portions of Nebraska. Those will take their time getting here, but nonetheless, tonight we have a 0 chance of any storms, but tomorrow we have a marginal to slight risk, a category 1 or 2. The higher risk will be down in Ohio, portions of Indiana. Just stay weather aware in the afternoon. Clear skies here tonight. We'll watch the clouds increase towards daybreak, so it will become mostly cloudy right around daybreak. And here's that first line of showers and storms coming through. This is about 11 a.m. to maybe as late as 2 p.m. in the eastern part of our counties. And then there's maybe a second line that pops up, especially if we get a little bit of sunshine. So 2 rounds of storms, late morning showers and then some afternoon thunderstorms to go along with that. And then skies will be clearing out later on tomorrow evening. Rainfall, we could get quite a bit with any one of those storms. Nothing here tonight. First half of the day tomorrow, a quarter of an inch or less, but there could be quite a bit. Models predicting 1.25 inches out at the airport by the end of the day tomorrow. Looking farther ahead, just beyond our 10-day forecast, after a cool spell, we're going to see our temperatures get a little bit closer to the average high, 69 to 71, with the warmer weather now out west, and we have a higher chance of seeing more rainfall during that 7-day period. We usually get a little less than 0.9 of an inch over 7 days. Forecast then for tonight, look for clear skies most of the night, then towards daybreak will become cloudy. Upper 40s to near 50, northern part of the lake shore. Low 50s from Muskegon and Holland down through South Haven. Northern areas along US 10, mid 40s, Greenville 47, Fremont 48, and then increasing clouds late tonight here in the greater Grand Rapids area. The cooler readings will be over toward Ionia, 47 there. Will be as warm as the low 50s in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Tuesday with that category 2. Slight risk, especially south and east for storms. Because of the showers and storms, our highs are going to be stuck around 70. It will become humid in the afternoon. Sun comes out after clear skies Tuesday night, up to 74 in the afternoon, and then another system coming in. Much cooler weather for Thursday through the weekend. Rain likely most of the day on Thursday in most areas, but it'll be dry on Friday before some rain moves in Friday night into Saturday. Right now, still hanging on to Mother's Day with sunshine and 67. That's pretty close to our average high. And then a little milder Monday through Thursday of next week.
George, sunglasses this afternoon, umbrella tomorrow.
Yes, indeed. And make sure you have a way to get warned in case there are some stronger storms tomorrow afternoon. All those details right after we take a look at the 13 weather ball. It is green, no change to the 70+ temperatures foreseen, and it's blinking bright. We have some showers and thunderstorms in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And today's temperatures were in the upper 60s to low and even mid 70s across the region. Temperatures will be very similar here during the day tomorrow. We came within our target range here this afternoon. 3 days in a row we have done that, and we've almost put 3 weeks in a row where we have been on target. Lots of sunshine today. We had a lot of sunshine this weekend. We did have those showers Saturday evening as expected. Those now moved out of the area. We're all watching storms that are moving through Nebraska, Kansas, and Oklahoma, where there's some very strong storms there right now. We'll see an increase to our clouds here later on tonight as those showers and storms start to approach. Tomorrow we have a marginal or even a slight risk. That's a 1 or a 2 out of 5 category. The higher risks will be down in Indiana and Ohio, and we are expecting stronger storms late in the afternoon or late in the morning into the early evening between about 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. maybe in 2 rounds. There's a low risk for a tornado and also for some heavy downpours, medium risk for damaging wind and some hail. Our forecast confidence is moderate. Clear skies right now. We'll see an increase to our cloud cover very late tonight. It'll become mostly cloudy, and this is 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. Here come the showers and storms exiting after about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and there may be some other storms popping up in the mid-afternoon into late evening. These are the ones that could be on the stronger side with those severe weather parameters. And of course, always stay weather aware. We have several ways we can measure what those storms are going to be doing. One is our supercell potential, and you can see some strong indications anywhere anything above about 2.5 to as much as 5 indicates there could be some very tall storms, especially afternoon and evening. That was right around 5 o'clock in the evening. And also another way is looking at the potential for tornadoes. It does increase. There's a bullseye down here in eastern Allegan County. So areas south and east of Grand Rapids definitely have to stay weather aware here during the day tomorrow. Then after that, all of the activity comes to an end. As I mentioned, there's also the possibility of some flooding. This all going to come in a very short period of time. Could be up to 1.25 inches of rain in perhaps just a couple of hours worth of time. We'll go on late tomorrow afternoon into the evening. So we'll put showers and thunderstorms and breezy conditions just about everywhere. Temperatures similar to today. Low 70s from Muskegon and Holland southward, around 70 northern part of the lakeshore zone. Upper 60s to near 70 north, with showers and thunderstorms perhaps again in 2 rounds. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, this is the highest risk for severe weather, between about 70 in Grand Rapids, 73 in Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted your Tuesday with a slight or category 2 out of 5 severe weather risk. It'll become humid in the afternoon, but leave us in the evening. Sunshine at 74 on Wednesday. Cloudy, though, on Thursday with rain likely. Dry Friday, and then Friday night and Saturday, another round of some rain moving in. Mother's Day Sunday, no change there. We'll be right around 67 with sunshine. A little warmer early part of next week and dry until some more rain possibly moving in the following Wednesday and Thursday.